In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hotmail email address password in new Outlook. If you use a Hotmail or Outlook.com address, your password is managed through your Microsoft account. We'll walk through the process in the new Outlook experience and then switch to the Microsoft account pages where the actual change happens. Have your current sign-in details handy and be ready for a quick identity check if Microsoft prompts for it. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. On the landing page, click Sign In. If you see an account chooser, select the existing account you use for your Hotmail email. This will take you into your inbox in the new Outlook interface. If your inbox doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to load. Once your mailbox loads, look to the upper right corner and select your profile icon, which shows your photo or initials. In the menu that appears, choose My Microsoft Account. This opens your Microsoft account dashboard in a new tab. If you're asked to pick an account again, select the same one you just used to sign in. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. On the Microsoft account homepage, go to the Security section. Inside Security, select Manage How I Sign In. This area centralizes options related to your sign-in details, making it the quickest way to get to your password settings. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the page or check the Security Overview panel. At the top of that page, choose Change Password. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity or confirm your current password. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. When the password form appears, enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Aim for a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. Combine upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words or personal information. A password manager can help you generate and safely store a complex password you'll remember. When everything looks correct, click Save. Microsoft will update your account password immediately. Because your Hotmail address is part of your Microsoft account, this change applies across Outlook on the web and any apps connected to this account. After the update, some devices or email apps may ask you to sign in again with the new password. That's expected and helps keep your data protected. And that's it. Your password has been successfully changed. If this was helpful, consider reviewing your security info later and make sure your recovery methods are current so you're never locked out. Thanks for watching.